Hi, it's me, and I'm gonna be doing a video, and I'm gonna be reacting to LPS Popular mid-season opening sequence. Hope you enjoy. So yeah. And by the way, I've seen this, and don't think I'm being mean or anything, because I'm not. So yeah, let's start. That's the same. Oh my gosh. Nice music. It looks so creepy. Kind of. I mean, they are animated, but... Oh my gosh. Ooh, yay. Is it over? Well, there you have it, guys. My reaction. Nothing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. I hope that's not what they look like in real life. Well, if they were alive, but I hope that's not what they look like. So, bye!